Okay, so we have an XQ125 cat generator. This one fits on a trailer, so you can move it around. There are different components to this. We're going to examine them all today, and most of all we're going to start it. These are the cables that attach to a box here. You can see the box. We're going to run through the steps. First of all, you want to make sure that everything is in order for you to start up. For example, this is the on and off switch. Right now it's set to on. That's the fuel line. It's also set to run fuel. If it was this way, then it would be off. So that's one of your first checks. Then you can come around to this side. This will also give you another view of the engine. This part here you can hook to keep this door from moving. This is where you would add fuel. The only thing here that you would need to check is this valve. Again, it's set to open. I believe that controls the oil. This is the actual diesel engine here. Once you have done that, you come to this side. On the back here there are two doors. This one and this one on top. So here's where you would hook up those cables that we showed earlier. One is 3-phase and one is 2-phase. Based on the kind of volts that you need, these are the breakers, and they also have external outlets that you can use here. But for the purpose of this demo, basically we're just dealing with here. So I'm going to stand here on this trailer to go up. This is our interface with the engine. The next thing we want to do is turn this from off to auto. Just like that. And you'll notice that it does have a panel here that gives various information about the engine, its temperature, RPMs, volts, etc. It's good information. You want to let this set here for about a minute or so. Okay, so that should be enough time. So the next thing we want to do is put it to start. And you can see the engine kicks in. This part here is the batteries. And you can see how many wasps that we killed. They made a whole nest inside of here, several nests actually. It's all on the ground. So we let this run for about 30 minutes. Usually we do this once a month. And then you would hook up the cables. So for example, so you would always put a white cable, for instance, to here. You line it up like this with the screws. You look for the screws on this side. And you push it in. And then you make one twist like that, and so it's connected. This side, the same thing would happen here. You would connect it here, and then you flip the brake or whatever you need. So that's it for this.